I built this entire sales funnel, everything from sales page, thank you page, copy, emails, follow-ups, logo, and so on, with this totally free AI tool that everyone has access to. And in this video, I want to break down not just how I did it and how you can do it too, but also I want to shift your perspective on how you can use AI instead of just using it to generate a bit of content copy or as a Q&A tool or maybe as a Google search, and rather how to get it to assist you in your everyday business. So let's jump to the screen. Now the AI didn't build all of this, but it basically assisted in building this. As you can tell, this is the sales page. This is the thank you / fulfillment page, so it's not just a thank you page. As you can tell, there are a lot of videos here, templates. Yeah, I forgot to mention also the upsells and everything. Well, most of the things that you see here was with the help of the free AI tool. And first I want to share with you the tool. Some of you might have heard of it. It's totally free, at least at the time of me recording this. It's Google AI Studio. So you can just type Google AI Studio, log into your Google account, and I choose Gemini 2.5 Pro. And you can see here also the thread. You can see it's a really big thread. I used up 440,000 tokens on this, but I went back and forth with Google AI Studio and it helped me with everything. So I have some of the things here so I don't lose track. So everything from like sales copy, product name, etc. I basically provided it with the details, target avatar, pricing. I uploaded examples. This is really important when you're asking AI to assist you with anything. I think one of the crucial things is giving it quote correct type of data. And what I mean by this is I could just went to any LLM, including Google AI Studio or chat, and tell it like, yo, give me copy for the sales page, right? And it will give me some probably average copy. What I did instead is I took some high performing sales copy based on what I want to do and similar to my niche. And I told it, based on these principles, because it's proven to work, give me copy for my product or service or whatever, right? And it did it because it knew now based on what to create. And even then, it's still not perfect. So I would say you shouldn't just be asking, but you need to estimate. And this is where your skill or lack thereof comes to the spotlight, where you need to know what is good copy. So I'll show you for this what we came up with. For the expert who feel like their old lead magnets aren't working, build your AI lead agent and get 24/7 automated AI tool that brings you consistent flow of ready to buy leads in 56 minutes or less. I'll show you how to build an AI agent that attracts your ideal prospects 24/7. There is a mockup, by the way. It also helped me with this mockup, and I'll show you how. There is like a button, two-step order form to buy. I need to change this because it should be one line. But the point is, this entire page was created with the help of the Google AI Studio. As I said, sales copy, product name, but also offer structure and upsell. I'll dive deeper into that. I want to show you the easier part. So visual branding and media, I told it like, okay, give me some color palettes, different ones that match well together, and I'll see which one I like best. And it gave me, and I was like, okay, I like this purple, I like this like lime green, etc. And also it helped me with the logo. So I think you can see it here. Okay, this is a small picture so you can see it well, but it helped me create a logo and it helped me create that mockup, and I'll show you how. So when you come to Google AI Studio, first I used this one where I showed you this is where I built this entire funnel, or it assisted me build it. And I asked it, I explained what kind of mockup I want. I again gave it good examples, and I told it to give me a prompt for, you guessed it, Google AI Studio. So what I did after it gave me prompt and after I showed it what I need, on the left side you have generate media. You're gonna choose Imagine, and they have their strongest ones, 4 and 4 Ultra Preview. You can pick one, and I just paste the prompt. And you can also select what kind of like aspect ratio you want. And this is, out of all the image generators that I've tried, this is by far the best one. It's also the fastest one, I believe. And it doesn't, at least again at the time of me recording this, it doesn't have any limitations. So I generated 20 images at a time very fast. I just paste a prompt, and then if I don't like it, I paste another. So this, again, mockup was created just with Google AI Studio with Imagen 4, and it was all done chatting back and forth with this. So this was like visual branding and media, like also like the fonts, the logo, the mockup, the colors, everything. Then let's go to the thank you and fulfillment page. So it also helped me structure the videos, because I was like, do I do one bigger video fulfillment or not? Do I do it on the thank you page, or do I get them to log in? Like all these micro strategic decisions that I feel like people are not using AI enough for, it was helped by Google AI Studio, or if you want to be more specific, Gemini 2.5 Pro, right? And it helped me, like it told me how many videos approximately, how to structure them. Later, I would feed it. This was one of my favorite parts. So I built this entire installation doc for people who purchase this, right? And here's the thing. It was all, well, 90% of it was done with the Google AI Studio. So what I did is, for example, for the step one, I took the transcript of the video, for example, of this one or of this one, and I told it, based on this transcript, help me create an installation guide. Because some people prefer reading, or maybe they want to both read and watch, right? So I have all of this for them, different phases, everything broken down, the links, everything they need is basically here. And this entire doc was also, again, created, or Gemini or Google AI Studio helped me create this. I don't know if you can see this. So all of these things were created by it, right? So the entire fulfillment, the videos, what do I put, how do I name things, everything. And again, I think a lot of people are underutilizing AI nowadays, and they're just using it either as a Google, or they have a question, or they ask some basic stuff, or at most they ask it for some copy, which they don't know how to judge, and they end up with some bad AI copy. So that's a whole other issue. Even the entire, so one of the things I give people who buy AI Lead Agent is like done for you template, right? And it helped me also. Okay, did I just learn that my button here doesn't? Okay, I got it fixed. So yeah, this entire template with the big prompt, it's not like one of those 2-line prompts. Like, look at this. They get all of this as part of it. And this was also assisted with Google AI Studio. So most of the things you see here was done with the help of it. Now, keep in mind, I had to judge it, I had to prompt it, I had to feed it ideas. So it wasn't like just, yo, build me everything for the funnel. There was a lot of back and forth of my judging, but still, I think it would have taken me a month to finish this entire funnel, because wait, there is more. There are also some upsells. So maybe some people who buy this because this is the low ticket product. But not only that, it also helped me create the entire upsell. For example, this one is about my mentorship. So if people want this further installed into every part of their business, they get invitation to work with me, right? Hey, you learn how to do this, it's bringing you leads. Do you want to now add it to other parts of your business? So you're also getting like clients or multiple clients every single week, right? So all of this copy was also helped both strategically, both with the name, with the copy. It was assisted with Google AI Studio, and also like one of the things I'm offering is done for you, entire funnel build for them. Like most of the things that you see here, I'm also offering as done for you, and people who purchased, if they don't want to go through the process of, okay, I need to think of the sales page copy, thank you page copy, follow-up emails, all these things, I offer that. And again, the entire upsell and this doc was also created with the help of Google AI Studio. So I want to basically broaden the scope of you understanding what you can, like all the things you can do with AI. But wait, there is more. Not only did it help me create all of the things that we spoke about, but also it helped me create all these like different follow-up and stuff. And I'm just launching this funnel, so we'll see how good of a follow-up emails these are. But for example, for AI Lead Agent itself, I have like simple welcome email, and I need to add like some more follow-up sequence. Then I have, if people like opt in, because it's a 2-step order form, if they opt in and they don't buy, there is like a 3-day follow-up email sequence that goes and tries to get them back to buy, right? And this was also created with the help of Google AI Studio. Then I have 2 order bumps, which were also created both like that's another thing that I want to show you actually. So when you come here and your like name, email address, and then you go to step 2, this copy also, this logo, and this copy and this logo were all created with the help of Google AI Studio, right? And also the follow-up emails, as I showed you here, if they purchase one of these order bumps, is also created by it. So as you can tell, like this entire funnel. So let's go back here. What do we have? We have sales page copy, product name, thank you page copy, like pre-headline, headline, sub-headline, then offer structure and upsells. Everything was assisted with Google AI Studio. What should I sell? What should the price point be? What should the name be? Etc. etc. Then email automation workflows like purchase fulfillment, abandoned cart, purchasing order bump, etc. etc. Right? Everything done. Then visual branding, as we spoke about, we had color palette, fonting, logo, mockups, everything like how it should look structured. And finally, fulfillment, thank you page, upsells, all the things were created with this chat, and I haven't even used half of the tokens from this one chat, right? And it was free. Now I could have done this maybe, probably, yes, with ChatGPT, but I find that sometimes Gemini 2.5 Pro is better for some of these things, and I mostly use ChatGPT, but I do use Gemini 2.5 Pro a lot, especially inside Google AI Studio. I don't know why, I feel like it's better than the Gemini we have inside Gemini app. But yeah, it's been insane. And speaking of Gemini, like this page was created by Gemini. So I uploaded the transcript of this video and I told it to create this in the canvas mode, and now I can show you this. It's pretty freaking cool. But anyways, I just wanted to broaden the scope of you using AI, seeing how you can build entire funnels, how you can edit inside your business, because this is one of the best use cases and that will unlock so much of your time, free up your decision making, make you more money, and so on. And yeah, now if you're looking to integrate AI into your business so that you can free up more time and make more money, get more clients, I'm releasing 1 to 3 new videos every single week, so consider subscribing. We are nearing the 300 subs mark, and if you enjoyed this very video, consider liking it. So there you have it, folks. Hopefully this shows you how many things you can use AI for, and really importantly, it's not just about asking it like, yo, write me email, follow up, do this, do that. You need to feed it first the right things, because I would rather show it like 10 good welcome emails and then tell it like, hey, based on this, write me emails. Then your prompt needs to be really good, detailed, what you want, what you don't want. And then the third crucial thing to make all of this work, so you don't end up with average AI stuff like most people out there do, is to be able to know what is good. If it gives you copy for the sales page or the thank you page or the emails or whatever, you need to have the enough like knowledge, skill, and judgment to be like, okay, this is good or bad, or this should be adjusted, because many things that it did give me, even though they were pretty good, I had to like correct, make better, improve, clean up, etc. Right? So it's still not 100% there, so be very aware of that. Now, if you enjoyed this video where I build it with the help of AI, I want to show you how this AI actually built the entire funnel for me, not just assisted me. So check this video out.